And the Cardinals fighting back.
Sounds like Chewbacca.
One here in the eighth inning. Just missed. 3-2.
Changing the sequence when after the fastball. Finally goes to his bread and butter pitch, that changeup, and that is a good location, Parker, where you can see it bend over at the waist to watch that pitch tail out of the strike zone.
On deck, the top of the order, John Jay. Here's the payoff.
Andala to yung pati yawin mo.